Tired of your follow-up boss database feeling more like a digital dumpster fire than a well-oiled machine? Let's turn that chaos into clarity. First, tackle those pesky duplicates. Head over to the Contacts section in Follow-up Boss and use the Duplicate Management feature. This tool identifies potential duplicates based on name, email, and phone number, allowing you to merge them into a single, unified contact. Next, standardize your custom fields. Consistent naming conventions are key. For example, instead of having variations like prop type, property type, and property type, stick to one format. This ensures accurate filtering and reporting. Time for tagging. Implement a consistent tagging system to segment your contacts. Effectively use tags to categorize leads based on their interest, stage in the buying process, and any other relevant information. Leverage smart lists. Create dynamic lists based on your standardized fields and tags. This allows you to target specific segments of your database with personalized messaging and follow-up campaigns. A clean and organized database leads to better data accuracy, improved segmentation, and ultimately, streamlined workflows that boost your sales. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business thrive.